Welcome guys, back to my channel, and today I'm excited to be opening this Delta Airbus A350. This is my favorite aircraft, favorite airline, favorite livery. So I'm just really excited to open it up. So on the front you can see it says SKYMARKS, Aircraft of the World, and sorry if this text is backwards for you because I'm recording with selfie mode. And on the top it says collect them all, which I am. And then we have the instructions on the back for A380. It would be nice if they gave you instructions for A350, but I guess not. Let's open this up. So, here you have this little lid. Take that off. And then you get this plastic, a very high density plastic, which is very good quality. It has a nice weight to it and noise. Here it is, my favorite part, the nose in these windows. So it says Delta, and then you have the Delta fin, the Delta above and upward, right there. Cargo doors, windows, emergency exits, and that new Delta undercarriage logo. So let's put on the engines and wings and vertical stabilizers. So in the box, you get this pamphlet that says all the other models they make. Here's the wing. Here is attention to detail. They put the Delta logo on this side of the winglet and on this side of the winglet. So that is there. Same with this other wing. So let me put on the wing. The wing is usually the hardest part to put on because it requires a lot of force. No, not this one. The wingspan on this one is really big. Let's put that one backwards. There. And there's a lot of sweep back to this. Okay, put on these nice engines. These engines do come with actual fans in them, which is cool, unlike their MD-80. And this is a Delta license, which is also cool. There she's been. There and right here. Those are some big engines, actually. Let me find those elevators, which is included in this base, where it says Delta A350-900, scale 1 to 200. I don't know which side it goes on actually. They both look the same. Yeah, I look the same. I don't think it matters. Let me know in the comments below whether I'm putting these elevators on the right spot or not. Okay. Now I'm clipped on nicely. And let's put this plane on the stand. There. And that's how it looks. Very beautiful model. I love it. It's like the best one they have in SKYMARKS. So guys, thank you for watching my unboxing and review tutorial. Not tutorial, just unboxing review of the SKYMARKS Delta A350-900. Hope you guys watch my other videos. Hope you guys like and subscribe because it helps me out a huge bunch. So, bye guys.